Okay, so if you guys remember from my previous video, I had broken this middle nail. And I meant to get out my spinner. I had showed I did my nails. Let me go back. God, what was I showing? I was swatching polish. And I had this nail broken. And I had this polish in my video when I was showing you guys I had did Valentine themed nails. And I was talking about how I was having a hard time getting the hearts to come down. Forgot I had this, which is my makeup spinner brush thing that I use to spin polish with. So I didn't spin it. I meant to, and I had completely forgot to pull it out, and I just thought about it. So I just fixed this nail, and on the middle nail I have glitter on it, so I want to put it back on here, but I want to see if I can get some stars out. So I'm going to try to spin it and see if I can get some hearts to come down. So I think this one might be a good fit. So you just pop it on, push it in here. Oops, I almost turned it on. Oh, I did. All right. I hope this one's a good fit. Let's see. A little wobbly. Hold on. Okay. There we go. I want to have it upside down just to help it get down to the bottom, maybe. You see how fast it goes? Oh man, they're still down at the bottom. I'm gonna do it one more time, upside down. Let's spin this way for a few seconds. Completely up. Ooh, they did spread around. Looks like it shook it up really good. It almost looks freaking silver now instead of... Whoa. Yeah, it shook all that silver glitter to the side. Wow. Alright, I'm just gonna manually shake it a little bit just to get it from unstuck around the sides. That helped break it up some. Now you can see it's back to pink. It just spun all that silver all up against the sides. Let's see here. And there's a heart. Alright, I got one heart out. That's more than what I was getting the other day. Another one. Nope. I see them all. They're still kind of all at the bottom. They kind of spun up against the side of the bottle as well. I don't know if I'll get another. Ooh. I didn't get another one to come out. It did help a little bit because it broke up the glitter It's coming out a lot better than it was. Here's one. Two, where'd it go? Oh no. Oh, here it is. And there's one here. So I got 3. That's not bad. Because I got one on this nail that's coming off. The 2 here and 1 here. So I was able to get 3 on this one. So that did help a little bit. It didn't bring them all to surface like I was hoping. They would at least come up here some. But they're falling down in there a little bit. So not bad. All right, I just wanted to test it out and see if spinning it would help. If you guys are new and haven't seen me use this tool, I got it off of Amazon for, I believe, under 20 bucks. It's a makeup brush spinner, and I ordered one to test it out on spinning my old polishes. You know how when you have polish sit for a while, they settle to the bottom of your bottle, and it's a good way to shake them up and use them when you're ready. Perfect for that. If I remember, I'll put some links in the video from when I first opened it and gave it a test try, so you guys can watch that. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button. Thumbs up.